What's up, YouTube? This is everything we sold Monday and Tuesday. We did pretty well. We didn't sell a whole bunch of stuff, but we sold some stuff for some pretty good money. As far as through the mails today, I only got one, so I'll add that to whatever I get tomorrow. But hey, let's see what we sold on eBay. We sold some CDs. One CD we sold was this Super Tramp. I'm going to give you guys a little master class about some CDs here in a sec. This is what they call 24 karat. Just look for the black and white CDs and also look for that case like that. They always show the album kind of small and it's gold. And on the thing it will say, 24 gold plated. But anyway, I paid $1 for this at the flea market the other day. And I sold it for $34.99. So make sure you keep an eye out for these 24 karat CDs. Most of them are pretty valuable. This one's more valuable than some, but most of them are bare minimum like $10, $15 CDs. So if you can pick them up for 50 cents, you're doing pretty good. All right, we picked up sold another CD. What was it called? Alphaville. Here it is right here. Alphaville. Never heard of them, but I found it at the thrift store for $1.49. And here's another thing you need to know. If you're looking at CDs and you see this little thing here and this little thing here, how it kind of looks like a Target, those are called Target CDs. And they're usually like first pressings. They're usually really recorded really well, so everybody wants these. Like I said, I've never heard of this band. If it wasn't a Target CD, this CD would be worth about $3.99. But since it's a Target CD, I sold this one for $25.99. I paid $1.49 for it at the thrift store. And it even had a rigid case. I told you guys in some previous videos, if you can find these that are not rigid and they're smooth, that usually means that they're old and they're imported and they have really good sound quality, and they're usually worth a little bit more. There might be a first pressing or something, so make sure you look and see if they're smooth or not. But yeah, that's two very good sales. Already $70 and two CDs that I had like $1.50 in. All right, we sold a Chuck Berry DVD, and it was this one right here. Hail, Hail, Rock and Roll. Should be new. Yeah, it was new. I bought this at a pawn shop for $1.50. Make sure if you find sealed ones, even not sealed, but this is a new one. Almost anything sealed, if it looks cool, scan it. But we got this for $1.50 and we sold it for $29.99. So a lot of the music ones are out of print. They don't make them anymore, so they're desirable. I just brought these from the house. I'm going to hang these up somewhere. World War Z and my Friday the 13th and Jaws. You wouldn't know that I like horror movies, right? Sold an autograph. Steven Railsback, I think is his name. Where do we go here? I think I have the wrong album. Here's a guy played the kid in Poltergeist. I sat with him at a horror convention before. I think this is in a different album. Well, hey, there we go. Steve Railsback. That's from the movie, I think, Life Force. We paid, I think, $2.99 for it, and we sold it for $18.99. Hey, we sold a hat. So I got to dig through this mess. All right, we sold a Zebco hat. This one, yeah. I think it's that one. I'll have to double check. I'm pretty sure it's that one. We paid $1 for this at a thrift store, and we sold it for, I believe, $24.99. We sold a DVD of Robert. It was a triple pack. It had all 3 Robert movies on it. Hopefully it's in here. There it is. I didn't sell it for very much. I think I only got $8 for it. I bought a bunch of these at the Dollar Tree, but I sell them for $7.99 at my store without any eBay fees or shipping, so I make more money locally. But I decided to sell one because I had like 5 or 6 of them. I have no idea how to pronounce this, but it's that one right there. Silent Mobius 2? Mobius? I don't know. I'm not into anime. My daughter is, but I don't think she's ever heard of this one, though. Or she probably would have grabbed it. Anyway, it was brand new. Steelbook. I picked this up at, let's see, where, I think it was Peddler's Junction. I paid $4.99 for it. And we sold it for $69.99. So keep an eye out for these animes, especially if they're sealed. And they're Steelbook. Steelbook helped. Okay, Pete's Dragon. Sold a Pete's Dragon DVD. There it is. Probably sold this too cheap. I picked it up for $2 at Peddler's Junction. And I sold it for $15 on a best offer. Downton Abbey. Right there, we bought 4 of these at the pawn shop yesterday. We paid $1.50 a piece for them. We sold our first one today for $15. I don't know what was going on. It seemed like every single time we did these, I was selling some of these superheroes. I paid 50 cents a piece for these, and I bought 100 of each. And as you can tell, this is what I have left of the 100. We sold two more females. Find a couple ones that aren't too bent up. Oh, there we go. We have 3 females left, and rest males. There in the beginning, all we could do is sell males, and the females weren't selling at all. Now the males are not selling, and the females are going like crazy. Anyway, we sold these 2 for, I think it was $19.99 or 20, might be $22.99. I think they were $11.99 a piece, and they bought 2 of them. I think they were $24. Girls, girls, girls. And it's not Motley Crue. It's an Elvis movie. It's sealed. We paid $1 for it at a pawn shop, and we sold it for $9. All right, guys, that's everything we sold for the last couple days. Man, we sold some good stuff. I mean, there was some killer stuff in there. Be on the lookout for, like I said, sealed media and sealed VHSs, sealed DVDs, sealed CDs, all that stuff. And always look for those smooth case CDs. Those always sell really well. Look for the rounded CDs. Those always sell really well. They're usually super audio CDs. And hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Have a good one. Hit the like, subscribe, hit the bell, and make sure you hit all. That way you see all my videos. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. Peace.